big opportunity for anyone who is a caregiver. And if you're a caregiver and you want to work in the UK, you want to travel outside to work, this is the good opportunity for you, because you have to watch this video to the end so that you get to understand all the things that I'm going to share in this video. So I will be providing you guys with all the tips that you need to follow in order to be successful. Maybe you have applied for several care work and still you have not been able to be successful. And I'm going to introduce you to this website that can give you about 90% successful rate. So without wasting much of a time, this is the website, which is uktsponsor.co. Now this is a big website here and it has a lot of sub website in it. So as you can see, there are a lot of companies in the UK that is looking for care workers, okay. And if you come to this platform, you see that there are a lot of companies that you can get from this platform or industries. Now specifically we are looking for care job, so just move on to care home. So we click on care home and after that you hit on search and you see all the care jobs available in UK as at now. So we have this company, which is Three Trees Care and Support Limit. Then you have 365 Care. So all these companies are hiring or are demanding workers employ for care job. So for you to be able to be successful on this job, all what you have to do is that, let's say we want to apply for this job, 365 care. Now you will see this link here. Just open the link, it will take you to the main website of this company. The moment you reach this website, this is what you have to do here. Contact them, okay. All what you have to do is to just contact them, okay. So you can find their contact here. So you just click on contact us and then you will be able to chat them, okay. So with the contact us, this is what you can see here. They have their lines here, their landline. You can call them or you can send them an email, okay. So register address, so you can send them an email. Now with the email, you just have to let them know that you are a caregiver and you want to apply for care job. You send them your CV, your certificate, your experience, everything about your job. Just send to them through their email and these people are going to respond to you. Just have to keep on applying for several companies. So as you can see from this website, there are a lot of companies here that you can apply for care job in UK. And the good thing is that you are not going to pay for anything. Nobody is going to ask you to pay any money. And if you are lucky and you are being successful, your visa is also going to be hot sponsored. So guys, just check out this website. Numerous care work there, companies around. Check them out. See you. Bye.